Today I have prepared something really exciting and amazing for you. We will dive into the world of innovation and technological progress to introduce you to incredible tools that are on a whole new level. New technologies, amazing inventions and reactions that we have collected in this amazing compilation. Watch and be inspired.
Let's go!
This lamp with a new generation lens with a capacity of 10,000 watts is capable of operating in two modes. The first is a searchlight with a range of more than a kilometer, and the second mode of diffused light for general illumination. A smart robot for garbage collection on a large area is able to clear the football field of garbage in less than 2 hours. With the help of one experienced loader, you can load an entire truck in just half an hour. The laser show with cool special effects and explosions in the style of Robot Wars from the Terminator looks amazing, and I would like to hope that such a plot will remain only in the show and will never become a reality. Everyone always cares about the cleanliness of their car and few people will pay attention to their bike, but now there is a special car wash for two-wheeled vehicles, where you can wash your bike without any problems. The work of a gardener requires knowledge of plants, experience in gardening and landscape design, as well as the ability to work with various garden tools and equipment. This work is often associated with seasonal changes and requires physical activity and diligent care of plants. For any builder, drilling a horizontally flat hole was a very difficult task, but with this electric drill with automatic stabilization function, you can easily drill holes of any complexity. Creating patterns on leather is an art known as leathercraft. Creating patterns on the skin requires patience, skills and knowledge of skin types, as well as various tools. With practice, you will be able to create unique and colorful patterns on leather for various leather production projects. A special device for disinfection of automotive equipment in areas where quarantine is possible. Have you ever thought that you can sweep the floor not only with a broom, but also with a huge excavator with a special nozzle, because in any case, the main thing is cleanliness and order. A mechanical construction cart is the dream of any handyman who knows how hard it can be to carry different materials in it. With such a versatile flexible garage, your car will always be safe even in the worst weather. Farmers come up with more cunning ways of processing fields to reduce the pressure on the ground. Thank you for watching to the end. I always strive to improve the quality and offer you something new and interesting, so I am sure that you will like the next video even more. Thank you for your support. Subscribe, put a like and a notification so that you don't miss anything.